In this video, I'm going to show you how to view and reply on Instagram anonymous message on NGL app. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your NGL app, and if you got some messages in there, you will see this red circle icon just beside the inbox, and you can hit on inbox to get all your anonymous messages. You can tap there on this sign, and there you can read your anonymous message from some person, and there is no way to see who sent you that message, but you can reply on that via Instagram. So to reply, hit reply button. Now hit open to open up your Instagram. Now there you see that message box. It's kinda screenshot from NGL app, and there you can tap on text icon to type your text. Then you can continue creating your story. It's basically a story editor. You can continue creating your story as you normally would, and after that you can share that story to make a reply on that anonymous question. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.